Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely delete Google Gemini activity for enhanced privacy. If you have been using Google Gemini regularly, your past interactions may be stored as part of your activity history. While this can help you improve your experience, you might occasionally want to clear that data for privacy or organization. Fortunately, deleting your Gemini activity is simple and only takes a few steps. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Google Gemini app on your device, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to hit your profile located at the bottom left corner in the sidebar. After that, you have to choose the activity option in the menu. Then you have to click on the drop-down menu located next to delete. Now you have to choose the preferred option like last hour, last day, all time, or custom range. If you want to get rid of the recent activity, choose the last hour or last day option. But if you wish to wipe out the activity of a specific duration, go with the custom range option. However, if you want to completely clean up the entire activity history, choose the all-time option and then follow the instructions, and that's about it. Deleting your activity from Google Gemini gives you better control over your personal data and how it's managed. Whether you are clearing specific entries or wiping out everything, it's a quick way to maintain your privacy and keep things perfectly organized. Therefore, make it a habit to review and manage your activity history to stay in control of your digital footprint. And I'll catch you up in the next one.